Good day guys, Bing here. Today we are going to try this one. Okay, so let's first I'll quickly explain how we're going to model this. So first we need to model one part of this. So see here, so that's a shape like this. Okay, so we'll model this as 2-point adaptive family, right? And then after we finish this one, so we can place this one onto a reference line. So imagine you place one and place another one, another one. Okay, so each, so something like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And then you can adjust the height, the distance between these, and to make it, like this small, smaller, so and bigger. I mean the distance between them. And I think that's pretty much it. Okay, and then after that, so this overall, so this height can be changed, so you can adjust the height, and all these individual elements in like these will adjust accordingly. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to create an adaptive family. So actually I did have a test there. Generic model adaptive. Okay, so and then first we need to create this. So we need 2 adaptive points. I'll just place 1, 2. Okay, select them, make adaptive, and then create a spline reference and make it reference line. And then we need to place points. Use draw on face. So we need 1, 2, and 3. So roughly in the middle. Okay, so this one needs to move to this end, but for now I'll just place it there. And then reference circle, draw on world plan, set world plan, pick this world plan, and then draw a circle and do another one. Set world plan, pick this one, draw another circle, and set world plan, pick this one, and draw another circle. Okay, so select this one. Maybe this is 1, so maybe we do it from top, so this become a top. So select this circle, create a radius, so and then we're going to create a parameter. Let's call it R1 instance, and okay, and then this one become R2. Okay, so R2 instance, okay, and then this one is R3, but we don't. Yes, we need to create a parameter, and then we're going to use R1 and R2 to control R3. I think R3 equals bracket R1 plus R2, and we're going to type. Let me think. It will be smaller, slightly smaller than the average of R1 and R2, so maybe we divide it by 3. Let's try that. Okay, so now let's have a test. If I select 1, 2, 3, create a form, so now we have this. I think that's okay. So let me just drag that point to this end, also drag this point to this end. So now if I move this one slightly, I think this looks okay. I think this looks okay. So this is it. So this is this one. So I did it just randomly, so it doesn't really matter. So I can move this point up, roughly up. So now it's more like what I draw here. Okay, so the next step is we're going to create overall height. I'm going to let me think. What should I do? So if we are going to model the whole thing, including the top, let's just okay. So let's just do another generic model, adaptive. Okay, so another one, but this time because they are all vertical, we don't need to have it like on an angle or anything. So we can just do a make this adaptive point, and then we can just directly draw on point, use draw on work plane, and then pick this horizontal work plane of this adaptive point and place it on here on this point. So now we can have a offset as a height. So let's use height for this offset. Okay, so and then we can you can drag this point up, or you can just type in. So for example, I want it to be 10 meter. Okay, so click OK, and that's it. So now we can select these 2 points, create a reference, create a spline through points, and then make a reference line. So now this is it, and I think we can. So let's just do the the wide part first. Okay, so we're going to place this. So go back to this, the first one, load this into here. So I'm going to just, this one's very big. So that's fine. Doesn't really matter. So we can slightly change this one. So to match this, the overall height. So instead of 2 radius, 2.4 radius, maybe let's try, maybe make it 500 and 500. Okay, something like that. Maybe too small. 900, 900. Okay, so that's better. So now we're going to just place, and I'll play, not instead of try not to directly pick that point, pick this line. Okay, pick on use place on face and place onto this reference line. Okay, not that point. So 1, 2, and then we can just I think we can just pick this point, should be fine. So let's just do some different size, okay, different length or different height, so something like that. And okay, so last one, I'm just going to place onto the reference line, and then we can just drag that back down here, and then for this one we just drag this up. Okay, so now we're going to adjust the size of these. So maybe just go up a little bit. This one need to go up a little bit, maybe. It's not picking that point. Let me try pick new host. Yeah, oh good. And then we can start to change these. So for example, I'll just type 1200, and then this one, so 1200 for the first one as well. And I go back to 900, and maybe I just this one go to 1500, and this one go to 1500, and this one 900, and this one maybe go to 1200, and this one need to go 1200 as well, 900, and this one maybe go to 1200 again, and maybe this one 1200, go back to this is 12900, maybe this one go finish at 1200. So yeah, so this is it. And so to make it you can also make it parametric by just this one we can just call it R1. So if I create a new, I'll call it R1. Okay, R1, and then this one I'll call it R2, and this one need to be the same. This R1 become R2, okay, and then R2 become R3. So yes, yeah, this can be time consuming, but let's just quickly do it. R4, and this one it become R4, and then this one's R5, and then R5 and R6, and R6 and R7, and this one's R7 and R8. So by doing this, we can adjust. Oops, sorry, 8. Let's finish this. Go back to, and then change it. Edit. So let's call it R8. Okay. So okay. So now for this this family, so this entire family, we have R1 to R8. So let me just click on this. Okay. So and then another thing we can change is where these, so I mean how where this point, the height of these individual ones. So we can just do this by, so if you try to select the point 2 of this family, there should be a try to wireframe, click. So this is it. So see this normalized curve parameter, it's from point, it's measured from here. Yeah, that's fine. We can change this one to end. So we can create a parameter for this. So we can adjust. So let's I'll just quickly do this in N1 instance. Okay. And then, so this is N1. So if I HH this one, there's another point. So this point of this family. Oh, yeah. So this one's already there. So type HR. So we need to so now this one, let's try to tab, click. Yeah, so this one needs to match the N1. So change the direction, change the measure from the top, and then match that one. So now we can HH this one's fine, and select this one. So this one will be N2. So let's change this one to end, and then create, let's call it N2 instance. Okay. And then I'm not sure, let's pick, not this one, tab, pick. Yeah, so this one needs to match N2. So now we can HH this one. Let's select this one. Okay, so this one's good. Tab, not that one. This one. Yeah, so this one needs to be N3. So let's create new N3 instance. Okay, and okay. And then just tab, click, change this and match that N3. Oh, hang on. Looks like I for that one I forgot to change the measure from. So let's just try to select that one. So this one needs to change as well. So now, yeah, all good. So so this one needs to be, yeah, so this one's good, and try this one. So change this one first, and then create N4 instance. Okay, and okay. So now this one, tab, select, change measure from, and then match N4. Oh, good. We can HH this one. So select this and create a parameter N5 instance. Okay, and okay. And a tab, select and change measure from and match N5. And okay, so now we can HH this one. So N6, hang on. Change the measure from first, and then create an 5, we'll have 5, 6. Okay, once again, change the measure from and 6, and that's it. So we don't need to so this one's down, so this one's always at that point, so we don't need to create one more parameter. So type HR. So we have this. Excuse me. Okay. So now we can use all these parameters to control the shape of this. Okay. So for example, let's try. So first, this is 1200. Let's try this one, the height. So this is the height. and these are the radius of these. So for example, I'll try to change 1500, see, 1 meter, yeah, 1200, yeah, like that. And also now these controls the length of individual segment. So for example, I'll type 0.1, so this will make this 10% of that 1/10 of this overall length. 0.3, 0.4, 0.7, so just be careful. You can't make a top like points go back to 0.5. I don't think it will work. Oh, it works, but no, we don't want that. Yeah, so it's very ugly. 0.2, 0.55, 0.7, maybe. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. Yeah, let me just make this one a little bit longer. 0.85. Yeah, okay. So this is yeah, so this is this bit. For the top, it's quite simple, I think, and I think maybe I'll leave it to next time. Okay, so let's just do this pointy thing. Okay, so let's do those. Oh, and also, so see, there's a little thickness to these. So maybe we can add instead of just very skinny, just we can add. So that's easy. Just go edit family. So what we need to do is we need another circle. Okay, so let's just I'll just delete this, and for this circle, just drag this up. Okay, and select this point. So depending on the thickness we need, so we can change this one from a normalized curve parameter to segment length, and then from here we can type in a number. So or we can just create a parameter. I'll just call it th and instance, so we can adjust it. And okay, so and then we still need another one here. So let's just select this point and control select this circle. I'll use CC copy, and then select this point and pick new host and place onto this reference line. Something's not right. Yeah. oh yeah, because we have a parameter assigned to it. I think it's not there. Anyway, so let's try again. Ooh, not look right. Control Z. Let's pick new host. Pick. Something's not right. Anyway, maybe. Anyway, so I'll delete. I'll just create a point. Just make sure you use draw on face and place onto it, and then create another circle. This time use draw on word plan. Pick this point, create a circle, create a radius, apply that radius R2 to it. So I'll go R2, and then select this one and drag it. You can just drag it directly to this end. So now we can create this first. So the same, and then we can just tab until you select. Oh no, not this one. HH, and select these to a circle and create a form. So now if I type HR, we have this. Okay, so now load this back into here, override, Okay, so we have some issue here. Was automatically resolved. Okay, I think let me cancel that. Go back to this family. So I want to see what's going on here. So maybe I'll just adjust this point a little bit and see. It looks fine. I'll HH this, select this point, and segment length. Okay, so I think the issue is in this one, because in this family, the scale is very big. So you can see that's 4 meter. So this a little bit is 4 meter. So in this family, so we can 4 meters like more than this one. So what we should do is reduce the size here. So let's go. Or actually we can just reduce the size of thickness. So if I type in 200 mil, apply. What's this? Maybe just reduce. I'll just reduce this. Oh, why is my sorry, looks like we have some issue here. Okay, that's okay. I'll change this one to 3 meter. Oh, hang on. Yeah. So the issue is this, because we need to change this one. This one's currently measured from this point, so that's why that's like 4 meters. It's measured from this point to this point. We need to measure from this point to here. Sorry about that. So I'll just click on this to flip, and then I'll just go back and make it 200. Yeah, so this time it will work. It should work. Yeah. So HR. Oh, good. So load this back, overwrite, and then yeah. So we have this, and then we can select one, and the SA select all. So we have this one. We can change this. So yeah, for example, 100. I think that's good. Okay, so now let's add those pointy stuff. See here. I'm going to let me think. How do we? Yeah. Okay. So I think we can add those thing onto these two reference line. Okay. So let's create a new family, generic model, adaptive. Okay. So for this one, we need 2 adaptive points. Make adaptive, create a spline through points, and make it reference line, and then place a point, draw on face, and place on this midpoint. And I'm not sure about the angle, so I'm going to create an angular parameter. So later we can adjust the parameter, so we don't need to come back and adjust this. And then I'm going to place a point, draw on world plan, set world plan, and I'll just pick a world plan. Okay, so maybe this one, and place. And then we need this one, so this will be the length of that thing. Okay, so I'll just call it L, capital L. Instance OK and OK, and then I'll just create a spline through points, and I'll just use the line instead of a form. Okay, so and this is it, and then we can load this one into this. So this is family 1, and load this one into family 1, and okay. So so currently we don't have anything. We don't have nodes. So I'll just place it here for now. Okay, place it here, and then select these 2 reference line. Use divided path, and how many do we need? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, just select them and type 8. So now we have these nodes we can place this one, so create similar. I don't think we can, so we can just go component and place this one and this one. Okay, so it looks like the orientation of this family is not right, so let's try typing 90 degree. Yeah, that's it. So okay, so delete this, and we can select this one, repeat. Oh, this is not right. Let's try again. So hang on, so the looks Y. Let's have a look. So this is turn on the show notes number, and this one as well, turn on the show notes number. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is probably Y. So the number is different, so you can see here. So this clockwise, this is and counter clockwise. So we need to change flip direction. Okay, and then so we just need to delete this one and go create component, place another one, and then looks like when you change to 90 degree. Okay, so and then we can just repeat, and then this time it works. Okay, so and also we can adjust the length. So if I type in 150 or 1500, so it become shorter, and we can just create this parameter. So later we can adjust this. I'll call it L as well. L. What's this? Sorry. Accidentally changed the group. So because I typed L. So dimension is fine. Instance. Okay. So now type HR. So it show everything we have, and load this one into family 2. Override. Okay, and then we should be able to see. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Yes, that's it. And then let's have a look. So 15. So select all. If I type 1200, it should reduce the length of this pointy thing. And I think it's almost there. Let me check the time. 27. Okay, so almost half an hour. I think that's enough for today. Maybe next time we can just finish this one. Add at the top part. We can also make it parametric, so you can see they are all different size. Yeah, the base is okay. That's fine. Not much. Yeah, that's quite simple. And we can probably also try to use Dynamo. And yeah, we can just place multiple of these and just randomize it. Okay, so yep, I think that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. And also, once again, so this is a shared document. You should be able to quite easily find it. Maybe I should. Yeah, you should be able to find it. I paste the link everywhere. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Thank you.